Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about the recent movements in the cryptocurrency space. We can see here Bitcoin slowly bouncing back. Some of the altcoins are also bouncing back. We can see here some of my trades are not so much in the red as they used to be. Some of them are still going up like crazy. We can see here Solana trade up 16k, Link trade up 13k, Doge up 9k, which is quite nice. Then we have here VeChain trade, almost $2,000 in profits, Uniswap 7,000, and we have here the ETH trade, which is my biggest profit trade here, 48k. This I made just with around the 2.7k in margin, guys. So you can see the opportunities in the crypto space are endless. Now we're going to talk about market. What can we see here in the charts? Bitcoin had a little bit of a retracement. Right here we can see we went down. We created the new all-time high here at 100,024,600, and we retraced around 6.5% down to 116, and now it looks like we're bouncing back slowly. We can see we are from the low here already up around 1%, and it looks like we might go for a new spike to the upside. Let's see. I would like Bitcoin to go above this zone right here, so we create a higher high again, and after that I think we'll go for even a higher price, like our previous price target, guys. If you remember, we've been talking about the inverse head and shoulders right here. This is the bigger pattern, guys. This is the pattern on the daily, and still we can see here the price target is still $141,000 for Bitcoin. So for now, this pattern is still playing out. It's just basically confirming right now the support zone, and we are still on the way to $141,000. Now let's go over here and check out Ethereum, since Ethereum is one of the main movers for the altcoins. Let's see, we are still in the parabolic curve here, guys. We can see here we are just literally confirming the support zone of this parabolic curve, and we will probably reach 5-6k in the next 2 to 3 weeks, in my opinion. So I'm still very bullish on my Ethereum. I'm could have took some profits, but my entry point for Ethereum is so good, so that's why I didn't have to. I might open some hedge trades in the future, but for now I think Ethereum is still doing very well. I'm still very bullish on Ethereum. We have to hold above the 4k. That's very important for Ethereum if we want this run to continue. That's very important. For now, everything looks quite well. We are basically just testing the support zone right here, and after that we will go for higher prices for Ethereum as well. Now let's go over here and check out Solana, guys. I definitely want to talk about Solana. Let's see what's happening there, because I have quite a big position. We can see here 9k in margin, guys. I've put quite a lot of margin into this position because I'm very bullish on Solana, and we can see here we basically just tested this trend line right here, and we can see we are jumping from this trend line, so we might go here and create a new higher high at $200, and afterwards we will probably go for the all-time high, which was at 293. But who knows, maybe even 2000. That's definitely possible with Solana. Now I'm still in my trade, quite happy with my position. Besides that, let's see Sui. It's also quite a big position for me, Sui already. We can see here 6.5k margin. So I was thinking to add some more to it, but I'm quite good with this margin. I don't want to use too much. Always play by your risk, guys. Don't risk more than what you can afford to lose. Right now, I think 6.5k. It's actually that's my range right now that I would like to be. I wouldn't like to put more into that trade for now. VeChain, but we can definitely buy some more VeChain, guys. Let's actually do it here. Let's buy some more VeChain. We can see it here. Let's buy another 20,000 VeChain, confirm, and order placed. I definitely like VeChain, guys. You can see here my VeChain price target is still the 8 cents, which was the high from December, guys. Now we're still below 2.5 cents, so quite a big opportunity to make crazy gains. We are already in this position since 2 cents, and we are very good in the profits with it. We can see here profits are coming in. Just from $500 I made $2,000 in profits, so quite a nice trade right here on VeChain, and I'm holding on to this trade. I'm actually thinking to add even more to this position because VeChain can easily go to 3.5 cents, and very likely we will probably go to the 8 cents if Ethereum will break its all-time high. So as you can see here, I have 11 positions open for Bitcoin and altcoins. So right now I'm positioned quite well. I'm looking for new opportunities in the market. So let's see right here. We can see the market is bouncing back. We see some green numbers. Looks quite well for me. Let's see which one. If you have some altcoin recommendations, feel free to write it down in the comments. Now let's see what else we have here. I like XLM. I like AVEX, but they are a little bit dinosaur coins. There is no hype behind them. So let's see, my link, I already have a position. I'm already positioned already in most of the coins. I like AV, guys. AV is the major player in, and we can see here, we are very close to the high here. So the high from December is almost reached. So it basically did a 3x from April. I like AV, but I think there is not much room to grow there exponentially. Besides that, Aptos, guys, I think Aptos still has to go to this area. We were in December, and also here in March 2024 we were above $15. So let's buy some more Aptos. Two is performing quite well, and they both go basically hand in hand. Right here, let's do a 2k margin position. Order placed, and we are already in our position. I'm quite bullish on Aptos. So now we have 12 positions open. I'm quite happy with it. This trade will probably make crazy gains. Let's quickly showcase it here. How much is the possibility here? We can make 200% with this trade with a 20x leverage that I used for this trade. That would be at around 4,000%. So let's say you put $1,000 in, you can make $40,000 from this trade. So quite epic opportunity right here. If you wanna trade like you see me do here on the VX platform, you can grab in the description down below up to $30,000 in bonuses just exclusively with my link in the description and in the pinned comment. You can grab this bonus and start a trading career today. If you're an experienced trader, you can also take advantage of their deposit bonus. So let's say you deposit $1,000, you will get $200 as a bonus. If you deposit $10,000, you can get up to $2,000 as a bonus, and also the $30,000 welcome bonus. So there is no excuse not to start today and start making gains in the crypto markets. Now, this was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you again next time. Bye.